Hello dear students, welcome to the bridge course in the subject physics. Today I am going to deliver lecture on the chapter which is inside the atom. Right? Many scientists try to find what is inside the atom. They are all curious to find what is inside the atom, out of which in today's lecture we are going to study some models, atomic models suggested by the scientists, which is Dalton, again the J.J. Thomson, and then the Rutherford's atomic model. And the next one is Niels Bohr's atomic model, which is now widely accepted. After these models, we will see what are the things inside the atom. Atom chart मध्ये कुठल्या कुठल्या वस्तू आहेत त्यामध्ये आपल्याला या ठिकाणी शिकायचं आहे. Then what is how these electrons are distributed in the atom and the electronic configuration, valency, and how the atom is stable, why the atom is stable. And after that we are going to see the what is mean by the isotopes. Isotopes काय असतात ते आपण बघणार आहोत. Before going to start this chapter, let us revise one concept. What is mean by the matter? Matter म्हणजे काय? The first concept is the matter. What is mean by the matter? Matter is nothing but the anything which has the mass and which occupies the space. What is matter? Matter is the anything. Matter is the anything that has the mass and which occupy the space. मग ते एनिथिंग काय असणार आहे? फॉर एक्झाम्पल, दिस इज अ डस्टर और द आयन्स रॉड विच इज यूज टू मेक द टेबल. म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या वस्तू ज्या आहेत अराउंड आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतात. टेबल आहे, डेस्क आहे. दीज थिंग्स आर नथिंग बट द मॅटर. इवन द ऑल सबस्टन्स विच आर एक्झिस्ट इन दी नेचरमध्ये जे काही सबस्टन्स अस्तित्वात आहेत, the substance which exist in the nature are called as the matter. Right? The various elements, various substance are nothing but the matter, and these matters are made of the atom. Right? The matter is made of the atom. Right? Here the next thing is the matter is made of the atom. Now what is the atom then? We can define this atom as it is the smallest. It is the smallest indivisible particle of matter which retains its identity, or we can say that which retains its properties in all physical or chemical changes. So this atom is defined as, atom काय आहे? Atom is the smallest or indivisible, which cannot be divided further, such a type of particle which is of the matter and which retains its identity. It means that its properties doesn't change, right? Which in its properties doesn't change in all physical or chemical changes. Now what is the physical or chemical changes means? Consider there is a formation of the water. Consider it is the formation of the water. If water is converted to the ice, water which is in a liquid form, if it is converted to the ice, this is the physical change. And from this consists of the two elements inside the water. One is the hydrogen and another is the oxygen. The preparation of the water from these two atoms, from the hydrogen and the oxygen, from these two elements there is the preparation of the H2O, that is water. This is the chemical change. Even in these two changes, even physical change or in the chemical change, the property of the atom doesn't change. Property of this atom property of the atom doesn't change. That is nothing but it is the identity or the property of the atom. Again, here the next is molecules. The molecules are made up of the atoms, one or more than one atom. Molecules are made up of the atoms or the one or more atoms. Example we have seen earlier. Here is the H2O is the compound, this one is the compound, and this is the molecule of a compound. Again, this one, if we say there is the hydrogen, this is the atom, and when two hydrogens combine together, this is the molecule H2. Again, consider one element, this is the oxygen, this is an atom, and when the two oxygens combine, it forms a molecule. H2O is the molecule of a compound which is made up of the two distinct atoms of the hydrogen and the oxygen. Here hydrogen is the atom and this H2 is a molecule. Another element is this is the oxygen, which is the atom, and here the O2 is the molecule, right? Again, we can say about the helium. Helium is the atom. This is the monoatomic molecule. ह्या हेलियममध्ये काय तर सिंगल ॲटम त्या ठिकाणी असतं. Again, let us see the NH3, which is the ammonia. This is the compound. This is the molecule of a compound NH3, which consists of the nitrogen and the hydrogen. Again, this one is the compound. This is the molecule of the compound. हा मॉलिक्यूल जो आहे तर तो कंपाऊंडचा मॉलिक्यूल त्या ठिकाणी आहे. मॉलिक्यूल इज मेड फ्रॉम द इंडिव्हिज्युअल atoms and inside the elements of the two elements are there, which is the nitrogen and the hydrogen. Again, we can say we take the example of the methane, CH4. Chemically, these two elements combine with each other and forms a compound, and this is the molecule of a compound. This is also a compound. This is also the compound, which is nothing but the methane. Now you clearly understand what is the atom and the molecule. Molecule आणि atom ह्यांच्यामधला जो फरक आहे आपण ह्या ठिकाणी पाहिलेला आहे. Again, these compounds is made up of the monoatomic molecule or there is a molecule which is monoatomic, diatomic, or a triatomic, right? Molecule is made up of a single atom, or if molecule is made up of a single atom, then it is monoatomic molecule. If the molecule is made up of the two atoms, it is called as the diatomic molecule, and if the molecule is made up of the three molecules, it is called as the triatomic molecules. This is about the molecules. Now let us jump into the history of the search of the atom. Let us see the history of the atom. This history this atom has a history, it has a long history of 2500 years before it is invented, right? The various Maharshis who try to research, who try to practice the meditation, they try to find what is the atom or the smallest particle. In the 6th century BC, in the 6th century BC, Indian Maharshi, whose name is Maharshi Kanad. Maharshi Kanad introduced the concept of the smallest particle, which is indestructible, right? He says he defined that particle as the Parmanu. He gave the name to that smallest particle, which is the part of the matter. The matter is made up of these small particles, and that small particle he named it as the Parmanu. Parmanu means it is the smallest particle inside the matter, which is indestructible. Which is indestructible in nature, right? In the 6th century BC, before the Christ, and after that in the 5th century, the Greek scientist Democritus named that smallest particle as a atom. Named that smallest particle as an atom. It is derived from the word. It is derived from the word atoms. It means that which cannot be cut further. The atom means which cannot be cut further. This is about the history of the atom, which has a long history of the 2005 years, right? Now in the next thing we are going to see the various models of the atom. The scientists suggested the models of the atoms, how the atom is. The first one is the Dalton. Let us see the first model, which is the Dalton's atomic model.